students. In today's lecture video, we will discuss about the topic called intrusion detection. Unit 5 will come under the database security. So in database management system. So what is an intrusion? So we know what is an intrusion. Before moving on to intrusion detection, we should know the technical terms which is used in the intrusion detection. So first we should know what is an intruder. Intruder is a person who gains unauthorized access to a system. Okay. So the intruders may be from the outside the network or legitimate users of the network. Okay. What is an intrusion? So this is a term which is attempting to break into or misuse your system. Okay. So we have to provide your system from the intrusion. So that is how we are moving on to a term called intrusion detection system. So we have to provide your system from the intruder and from the intrusion. So we need a system called intrusion detection system. So what is the system? In short form, we can call it as IDS. It is a system which monitors network traffic, okay, for a suspicious activity, and also it can raise an alarm when such activity is discovered. Okay. So in order to protect your system from the intrusion, we have to monitor your system completely. So this will raise an alarm in case of such any malicious activities has been taken place. It is like a software application. Okay, it entirely scans your network and your it may be you protect your system from the harmful activity. Any malicious venture or violation is normally reported either to an administrator or collected centrally using a security information or event management system. It will be called as SIM system. Okay. So whatever the activities which has been occurred in the network, so that is being captured and the entire thing will be reported to an administrator. Okay. So this is a passive system and it can scan your incoming traffic in the network. Once the IDS identified the dangerous or suspicious traffic, it can send an alert. Okay, it can raise an alert, but it leaves the action to the IPS. Only it can raise an alarm to the administrator. Okay, it will not take any action. The action will be taken by the intrusion prevention system. It will be called as IPS. So if this system will prevent your network from the malicious traffic, whatever it is entering into your malicious traffic from your into your network, intrusion prevention system will prevent it. Okay. So unlike IDS, IPS is able to actively block or prevent intrusion. So it means it will take an action. Okay. So IDS and IPS. So first, this will do three things. One is inspection and investigation. Inspection means it can include the signature-based inspection and also a statistical anomaly-based inspection. Okay. So this investigation include analyzing suspicious packets and activities. Then we proceed with the action. Once if we found any unwelcomed packets or identified, the IPS would either put them into the quarantine or simply drop them. It will not further allow this into your network. And thirdly, logs and reports, like many security devices, IPS can log attacks and send reports to the corresponding administrator. So this is how your architecture of intrusion detection system will look like. You can have a system, whatever we will be having an intrusion detection system. So, and we have a firewall which will protect your network from the unauthorized access, and we can able to send your data with the help of the router. This is a setup we'll be following in network. And there are different classification of intrusion detections are there. So it can be used for providing network, that is network intrusion detection systems are there. We can even to provide intrusion for host detection, host intrusion detection systems are there. And protocol based intrusion detection systems are there. Application protocol based intrusion detection systems are there. And hybrid intrusion detection systems are there. These are some of the important classifications of intrusion detection systems. Okay. Thank you.